In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an account from Outlook on your Mac. Whether you're looking to streamline your email management by getting rid of old or unused accounts, or simply need to remove an account temporarily, this straightforward process will guide you through it step by step. Removing an account from Outlook on Mac might sound like a daunting task, but with these clear instructions, you'll have it done in no time. To get started, first, make sure you have Outlook open on your Mac. Once you're in the application, you'll see some options across the top. You want to draw your attention to the top menu bar where the word Outlook is prominently displayed. Click on Outlook to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you'll be able to access a variety of settings and options related to your Outlook application. Once you click on Outlook, you're going to see several options listed there, but the one you're interested in will be labeled as Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. By doing this, you open up a range of preferences where you can manage various aspects of your Outlook experience, including accounts. Now that you've entered the Settings section, you'll need to locate the option that says Account. Everything you need to manage your email accounts is located here. Click on Account, and what you'll see next is a display of all the accounts currently associated with your Outlook on the Mac. After this, we move to the next part of our process, managing these accounts. To do this, look for a button or option that says Manage. Click on Manage to bring up more detailed controls for handling the accounts you're working with. Finally, you're at the pivotal step. You're going to see a list of all the accounts you have set up in Outlook on your Mac. Here, next to each account, you should find an option labeled Remove Account. This is your cue. Decide on the account you want to remove and simply click on Remove Account. A prompt might appear to confirm your action. This is just checking to ensure that removing the account is indeed what you want to do. Confirm it and you're done. Removing an account can be necessary for various reasons, whether it's an outdated account, an unnecessary clutter, or just temporary removal. Following this process ensures that you can easily manage which accounts are on your Outlook without much hassle. And there you have it, all done within a few clicks from the comfort of your Mac. Remember, managing your accounts efficiently can greatly improve your productivity and keep your email client running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to make changes to your Outlook accounts.